guys, today I'll show you how to install BlockLauncher Pro for free. So you want to tap on your browser. Let me just X that out. Now just go to browsing, just search for, just put here, search for Aptoid. Here, like that. Press go and go to web. So then go to Aptoid. You can install the application here, but I already installed it. And what you want to do is press on the search bar and search for BlockLauncher Pro. And press search, and then get the one that's on the first top. But before you install anything, you want to go to not notation screens.
So where did I get that?
You click.
Oh yeah, I kind of accidentally here.
You go to my device. No, wait, account. No, more. After you go to settings, go to more, go to security, and then go to and press unknown sources or check. If you don't press it on check, it won't work. That's good to know. Then when back here, just click on it. Just wait until there, and then press install. It will automatically install up here. Just press it, press install, and install again. And you have it. Press open. It works correctly, just like this. I already have mods patched in, so yeah. Let's play here. For example, here I have too many items mod. I'm going to change and change. Here, let me. Next, oh yes, that's all. Yeah, so it's like that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.